Today in Hair Business News, I'm going to talk about building lists to grow your hair business. This might be a little different than you think, and I want you to think in a different way when I'm talking about building lists and how to use them for growing your business. So make sure you check out this whole video so you get the full understanding if you want to grow your hair business. If you're new to this channel, my name is Mikey. I help hair businesses grow by teaching you how to start, market, and manage your hair business. I'll have links in the description to the resources that I talk about in this video, so feel free to check them out. While you're down in that area, why don't you hit the subscribe button because I'd really appreciate it. First things first, I want to give a shout out to the Hair Business Blueprint Facebook page. Make sure you join. It's free. For those of you that are part of the Hair Business Masterclass, I want to make sure that you know I posted a new video today. It is a must watch to help grow your hair business. So make sure you log into the class and check it out. If you're wondering like, Mikey, what the hell is the Hair Business Masterclass? I put a link in the description. You should check it out. It's the most affordable way to get the education you need to start, market, and manage your hair business. Okay, let's get back to building lists because if you're watching this, I know you want to grow your hair business and you're looking for tips to grow your business. That's why I'm here. Building lists, I want you to think of it as a little bit different than you normally would, and let's go into it a little bit more in detail. When you're thinking of list building, I know you're probably used to thinking about, hey, emails. I need to build an email list. I need to build my SMS list. I need to build my social media list. Yes, social media is a list, and I want you to think about other ways that you can build a list for your hair business. YouTube subscribers, that is a list. Those are a list of people that are subscribed to watch your videos. Your Instagram followers, your TikTok, all the content platforms are lists. For me personally, at Private Label, we have Hair Biz Radio, which is our podcast that has a list of subscribers. The more lists you build and the better you are at building the list, that gives you a chance to connect with potential customers and clients for your business. So you have to think about warming up your audience because people like to buy from people they know. Well, as long as they like you, they do, right? So think about building your lists to grow your business and think outside of the box, not just to sell in your lists. I think Gary Vee wrote a book. If you're not familiar with Gary Vee, he's real popular in social media. It's like jab, 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 right hook. The jab, jab, jab is give, give, give. So you want to give out a lot of information. Kind of like I do on this YouTube channel. I try to give out as much free information for you to grow your business. And a lot of people support Private Label and our brands. Of course, links in the descriptions if you want to check it out. Because what we do is we help grow our clients in the world of hair business, and they use our products and services that go side by side. So we have list building all over the place. Now, when you think about email lists, you can do much more than just, hey, here's 10% off your order. Or same thing with SMS. Hey, here's save 15%. Here's free shipping. Think about giving out free information. Maybe if you're in the hair industry, it is how to properly care for your hair extensions. If you're in the makeup industry, it could be some special doc with some, not saying secret, because at this point, no information is secret, but some proprietary information or just some great information that is going to help your following and it's going to make sense for your following succeed. And oftentimes it is success with using your products. So the education behind your products will help people buy from you because a lot of people don't want to buy a product if they don't know how to use it. For example, if you sell headband wigs, just having a quick tutorial on how to use that headband wig will help sell your product. That could be a YouTube video. You can take the video, put it on your website, and then once again, you can get more subscribers and build more lists, which in turn, over time, will build more sales. Now, quite often, the longer you go with giving out information before asking, you can do a lot better with your list because then people are just like, hey, I love you. Like, how can I support you? What can I buy from you? And that happens all the time. So I want you to think about all the different ways of building lists. Now, as you start building your list, you're going to want to track your list growth. So you're going to have month 1, month 2, month 3. I wouldn't do this daily. I wouldn't do this weekly, but definitely bi-monthly, or at least monthly. So if you do this monthly, it's definitely going to help you with your growth. I say this because it's a known saying, you can't improve what you don't measure. So an easy way to do this is you can use a free tool like Google Sheets, and just the first of the month, you can put how many followers or subscribers you have for your different lists, and you can see the growth over time. Using Google Sheets is a super easy way because you can do it on the go, but you want to be consistent with this. So now that you're thinking about list growth, I want you to tell me, how is your list growth going for your business currently? I would love for you to leave a comment. Let me know if you have any ideas about list growth or want any detailed videos on list growth. Please leave a comment. I'm here, Mikey Moran, the Hair Business Blueprint.